Hello everyone! Welcome to our Music and Arts Day class. Now, for Quarter 1, Lesson 1, let us discuss Emerging Popular Performing and Visual Arts. Learning Competency. Explore the emerging popular performing and visual arts in selected Asian countries. At the end of the lesson, learners are expected to demonstrate emerging popular performing and visual arts in Asia. 2. Simulate an emerging music and dance, visual, theater, and integrative arts in selected Asian countries. 3. Express how an emerging performance and visual arts develop in selected Asian countries. For subtopic 1, Performance Art, let us discuss K-pop, J-pop, and Chinese pop. Activity. True or false? Identify the following statement if it is true or false. Pick a word activity. Below is a pool of words about performance and visual arts. Pick a word that you think is connected with emerging and popular performance and visual art. Picture analysis. Looking at the image, what are the distinct elements and features of art forms? Process questions. Are you familiar with the images given? How will you describe the expression of the artist in the image? Unlocking content vocabulary. First word, emerging. Second word, popular art. Third word, performance art. Fourth word, visual art. K-pop, a short term for Korean pop, is a genre of popular music originating from South Korea. It encompasses a wide range of musical styles, including pop, hip-hop, R&B, electronic, and rock, often characterized catchy music, captivating performances, and strong emphasis on visuals and fan engagement, making it a vibrant and influential cultural phenomenon worldwide. K-pop groups such as BTS, Blackpink, EXO, TWICE, and Seventeen have achieved unprecedented success on the global stage, garnering millions of fans worldwide and breaking numerous records in album sales, streaming numbers, and social media engagement. K-pop has become a global phenomenon, gaining immense popularity not only in South Korea, but also across Asia, and increasingly in Western countries and other parts of the world. J-pop, short for Japanese pop music, refers to the genre of popular music originating from Japan. Characterized diverse musical styles, strong vocal performances, ties to multimedia, vibrant visual aesthetics, and cultural significance. Within Japan and beyond, J-pop has been a prominent part of Japanese culture for decades and has influenced music scenes both domestically and internationally. J-pop artists and groups include C-pop, short for Chinese pop music, refers to the genre of popular music originating from China, characterized by diverse musical styles, lyrical depth, visual aesthetics, and cultural significance within Chinese-speaking regions and beyond. C-pop has a rich history and has played a significant role in Chinese culture, both domestically and internationally. Popular performers, C-pop artists, and groups include Evaluating Learning, Table Completion. Complete the table below by writing what is being asked in each space. For subtopic 2, let us discuss performance art cosplay. Picture analysis. Are you familiar with the images given? Looking at the image, what are its characters? How will you describe the expression of the artist in the characters? What is cosplay? A short term for costume play, a performance art and a hobby that has become increasingly popular where cosplayers elaborate costumes of their favorite characters from movies, TV shows, video games, and comics to attend conventions and events to show off their creations. In addition to creating authentic costumes, the cosplayers also act in character and are usually subject matter experts on the characters they are replicating. Here are the 3 reasons for cosplay. First, creative self-expression. Second, escaping reality. Third, sense of community. Concept note. Look at the pictures below and complete the concept note afterwards by writing the characteristics of the images. Process questions. What can you say about the costumes of the cosplayers? Are they good to look at? How do you say so? How will you describe their hair and makeup? Do you think they are creative to wear their costumes? Why or why not? Some of the characters that cosplay are elaborate costumes of the characters from movies, TV shows, video games, and comics. Cosplayers act in character and are usually subject matter experts on the characters they are replicating. Ordinary person or people transformed into a superhero and others. Cosplayers choose their identity and take on new roles. Individuals step outside of their boundaries of their everyday lives and become someone else. Cosplay connects fans and collaborate with enthusiasts from around the world. For subtopic 2, let us discuss Asian visual art, digital manga, and animation. What is digital manga and animation? Manga and anime often use similar distinctive illustration styles, but the word manga specifically refers to Japanese-style graphic novels, book-length comic books. These are comics or graphic novels originally published in Japan and published in translation. Anime refers to the genre of Japanese-style 2D animation. It is a hand-drawn and computer-generated animation originating from Japan. In other words, manga are books, while anime consists of shows and movies. The popularity of manga and anime has crossed borders and has fans in every continent of the world. These forms of media, while sharing similarities in visual style and storytelling, offer unique experiences for fans around the world. It is a common misconception that manga and anime are interchangeable terms, with the manga being defined as Japanese comics and anime being the animated version of those comics. While it is true that much popular anime are based on manga, anime in Japan technically refers to any animated film, not just adaptations of manga. Examples of world-famous anime include Hunter x Hunter, Sailor Moon, One Piece, Slam Dunk, Dragon Ball, Pokemon, and many more. What is animated movie? A movie that is made from a series of drawings, computer graphics, or photographs of inanimate objects such as puppets, and that gives the appearance of motion by small changes in each frame. Some examples of animation are Aladdin, The Lion King, The Little Mermaid, Akira, Pinocchio, Beauty and the Beast, Toy Story, Coco, and many more. Now, let us discuss the last subtopic, Asian visual art, street art, and mural painting. What is street art and mural painting? A contemporary art form to spread a message and not so much to create something that would be visually appealing. The history of mural painting can be traced back to prehistoric times. In fact, it could be argued that murals date back to the Upper Paleolithic times in the form of cave paintings, and these are potentially over 12,000 years old. Murals have been found in every continent except Antarctica. The word mural has its origin in the Latin language. It comes from the word murus, which translates to wall, the most common place to paint a mural today. However, the definition has been changed over the many centuries that humans have been painting them. Today, murals are used as a way to express freedom and create a relationship between art and politics. There are many different types of mural paintings today. Mural art can be for anyone and anywhere. Street and mural artists are often hired to paint murals indoors and outdoors, in homes, bars, and restaurants. The actual style of a mural depends on the artist. Some artists prefer abstract paintings, while others specialize in realistic murals. What do you think is the difference between abstract and reality or realistic? Abstract art doesn't aim to represent reality, focusing instead on elements like shapes, colors, and compositions to evoke emotions or ideas, while realistic murals, on the other hand, strive to depict the world. What is street art? Street art is often seen in communities, on buildings, streets, trains, and sometimes cars. Most instances of street art are considered to be guerrilla art that attempts to make a statement or social commentary. Street art is often considered to be vandalism, but much of it is created in an attempt to raise awareness of an issue or due to the belief that public spaces are a blank canvas for expressive personal artwork. What is the difference between murals and street art? Murals are often commissioned larger in scale and focus on creating specific, often planned artwork, sometimes incorporating an architectural elements of the building, while street art, on the other hand, can be spontaneous, utilize diverse mediums, and may carry a more rebellious or critical message, sometimes operating outside of official permissions. Localization. Can you see mural paintings and street art in your school or in your community? What do you think is the purpose of having these art forms? I hope you learned something today. Thank you and God bless.